Okay, Sarah, here's the deal. You're helping me prepare for this debate competition. The topic is whether Gen Z slang should be used in formal settings. And guess what? Jenny's leading the pro slang team.
So you volunteered me without asking? Typical.
Big yikes, Emma. Consent is a thing, you know.
Oh, come on. You're the only one who actually knows how to sound smart while speaking.
Fine, but we need a strategy. First, let's break down what makes a great debate speech. Step 1. Structure your argument, introduction, main points, and conclusion. Step 2. Speak clearly and confidently. Step 3. Avoid sounding like you're texting.
Translation. Don't say bruh in a formal speech unless you're debating a caveman.
Okay, let's try. Champ, you be the judge. I'll argue that slang should be accepted everywhere. Sarah, you argue against it.
Easy. Let's go.
TBH, formal English is kinda outdated. Language evolves, and slang is just the new wave. It keeps conversations lively and relatable. Plus, Shakespeare invented words. Why can't we?
Because, Emma, professional settings require clarity. Imagine a lawyer saying, "Bro, that argument was mid in court. Not exactly persuasive."
Objection. Lawyer slang would be sustained or overruled. Modern slang would be bet or no cap. Proceed, humans.
Fine, but using some slang makes speeches engaging. It connects with the audience, especially younger people.
Yes, but balance is key. A mix of formal and casual language is best. You don't want to sound like a textbook, but you also don't want to sound like a meme.
So basically, speak like a human, not a Shakespearean ghost or a TikTok comment section. Noted.
Okay, I see your point. But what if we mix both? Formal English with a sprinkle of slang to make it relatable.
Now that's a winning argument. Let's work on your actual speech before the debate.
Gen Z slang is innovative. It adds personality to communication, helps express emotions, and makes conversations fun. Language is meant to evolve, and slang is the future.
Exactly! Saying, "I'm excited" is fine, but saying, "I'm hyped" makes it feel real. Plus, dripping sounds way cooler than fashionable.
But what happens when slang changes? If your boss emails "big yikes, you're fired," would you take it seriously?
Depends. If they added a skull emoji, I'd know they're serious.
See? Even serious messages can be made clearer with the right slang.
Okay, I admit, some slang works. But in formal settings, clarity is key. We need to find a balance.
Translation. Don't sound like a history textbook, but also don't sound like a TikTok trend that'll die in a week.
Great points from both sides. Language is about connection, and this debate proves that striking the right balance is important. Well done.
Okay, Sarah, you won this time, but I still think slang makes life fun.
Fair enough. Just promise me you won't write "big yikes" in your next essay.
Or start a job interview with "What's good, fam?"
Noted. I shall address my next AI meeting with, "Yo, my circuits are vibing today."
Yeah, let's not. But this was fun. I learned a lot.
That's the whole point. Balance, my friend. Balance.
TBH, to be honest, used when giving an honest opinion. Big yikes, a more extreme version of yikes, used for awkward or cringe situations. Dripping, stylish or fashionable. Hyped, super excited. Mid, mediocre, not great. No cap, totally serious, not lying. Bet, agreement or confirmation, like okay or got it. What's good, fam? Casual way of greeting close friends. So, what do you think? Should we use more slang in formal settings, or is balance the way to go? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more fun lessons.